In this video, I'm going to show you how we can bypass Windows Firewall using Nmap. So this is my setup. This is my Kali Linux machine, and I have Windows 10 machine and a Windows 7 machine. So what we are going to do, we are going to bypass Windows Firewall that is running on this system. So first of all, we will do a simple Nmap scanning. This is the IP address 10.0.0.2. These are the services that are running on the target machine, but I want to restrict this Kali Linux machine in my network so that it could not scan what I have been running on my machine. So go to the window firewall of Windows 10 machine and click on advanced setting and create a inbound rule. Right click inbound rule, click on new rule, click on custom and click on next, click on next, next, and add the IP of Kali Linux machine. Next, and then block the connection. Give it a name block Kali. So now this rule is applied. So let's see if we can discover the services that are running on the system. It will take some time to get the result. So as you can see, all the ports are filtered and nothing is discoverable. And now, as a ethical hacker, we have to try different method to bypass the firewall. So first of all, we will use a sync scan. TCP sync scan using nms space minus s capital S 10.0.0.2 is the IP address of the Windows 10 machine. So let's see if it can discover the services or it can bypass the firewall. So same result, uh, all ports are non-discoverable and there is no response. So let's give another shot with the intense scan. Minus T4 space minus capital A. Minus capital A stand for OS detection and trace route. Look up. Let's see whether we can bypass the firewall using the intense scan. As you can see that still we are not able to bypass the firewall. All the ports are closed and only the trace route have been given, and we even can't guess the OS and service detection. So what we are going to do is we are going to scan the entire subnet to see which devices are running on the network. Minus S capital P and give the IP range of the network. So this will show you that there are three machine 10.0.2 which is Windows 10 machine, 4, which is Windows 7 machine, and 3 is our target Kali Linux machine. So what we are going to do to bypass the firewall is we will attack using a zombie scan, in which we will give the IP address of the Windows 7 machine, and then we will give the IP address of target machine, which we are going to bypass the firewall where the firewall is running. So it will from the target host perspective, the scan is coming from 10.0.0.4 IP. Let's see. So as you can see that from zombie scan, we can discover the ports even if the firewall is there, and we have successfully bypassed the fire. Even the firewall rule is blocking the Kali machine. We have used a zombie scan using -SI parameter, and we have successfully bypassed the window firewall. Thanks for watching.